Hello guys and welcome to another video. I'm going to show you how I got this hairstyle, my beautiful nourished hair. And guys, let me show you where I started from. I started from this ashy mess. Oh my god. Yes, this hair was dry, it was dehydrated, it was sad, it was upset, it was lonely. But thanks to this deep conditioner recipe that I'm going to show you guys how I made today, you know what, it saved me from all that trouble. So stay tuned. So I'm starting off with some honey. Honey is the nectar from God. Honey is going to save you from dehydration. Also olive oil, I'm putting some of that in there, mixing that together to create a concoction. And this is the consistency. I'm going to use some fresh aloe vera. Aloe vera is amazing for the hair follicles, as you can see. I'm just slicing that and peeling it, taking off the top layer, and then I go in further with a knife just to scrape the actual meat of the aloe vera. And this is where all the goodness is actually coming from. And I put that straight into the blender, and instead of having to waste all the aloe vera, I just use a knife and scrape off the excess, so there's literally nothing left, because we don't like waste. This is some good stuff. Into the blender, I added some water, and this I'm just gonna blend that all together into like a smooth consistency. What I generally do is that I blend it and let it sit for a few minutes, and then I blend it again just so I can get the consistency as smooth as possible, just so it's so much easier for me to strain through my strainer. I'm going to use a strainer, which is a really fine one, just so as I pour it in, it's going to smooth everything over. However, it did not work with this one, unfortunately. But luckily there was no lumps and bumps included. So again, I just put a bit, drain all of the aloe vera goodness and water into the shea butter mix, and then blend all together. So this is what it looks like. Again, like I said, I would have put the deep conditioning cream beforehand just because it's a bit easier. But this is the deep conditioner I'm going to use, which is Sheer Moisture. It is amazing. I usually get irritation from other ones, but this is really cool and it's so moisturized. It's literally like a cream, and it does literally condition the hair. So I'm going to put a bit of also like a good spoonful. And the great thing about this mixture is that you don't need to use so much, it really dilutes it. So I mixed that together, and this is the consistency that came. But yeah, so this is the hair that I started off with. As you can tell, it's dry, neglected. Oh yeah, it's not the cute thing that we're looking for. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this shampoo from Sheer Moisture, Jamaican black castor oil, and I section my hair into four, and I just hydrate it with some water so it's more malleable into the sections. After washing it, I do slather the hair with the deep conditioner, and the great thing about this mix is I only use half the tub, so I'll be ready to use that for next week's wash. But it literally hydrates the hair. It's so soft and malleable, and I literally deep condition it for the whole day. I literally had to leave the house shopping, so it was in for a few good hours, but you can usually leave it in for 20 minutes. But this is the results of the hair. As you can tell, it's soft, it's hydrated, it's shiny, it's lovely, and thank you so much for watching.